11 o'clock, somebody came around honking their horn like just crazy. I was just like, what is going on? And I don't know what inspired me to look out my bedroom window, because it's in the back of the house and the car was in the front of the house. But I drew my blinds and I just saw flames all up on the hill behind my house. So, of course, I panicked. I'm still shaking. Went out and they were screaming, fire, 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 get out, get out. So that's when I called my neighbors. We're all together. And we all just got in our cars and left. I've got my cat in the car over there, and that's about it. I have my toothbrush. I did grab my travel bag, and yeah, that's it. On my laptop. I got my laptop.
This clear? This isn't